x equal to given functions are x equal to u into 1 plus v, just we can multiply u plus uv, and y equal to v into 1 plus u, it is equal to v plus uv. Now we can find out dou of x comma y by dou of u comma v. That is nothing but we can find out the partial derivatives determinant. First, we can find out the partial derivatives of x and y functions with respect to u and v. Dou x by dou u equal to 1 plus v. Dou x by dou v equal to u only. Dou y by dou x dou u equal to only v. It is v derivative is 0. Dou y by dou v equal to 1 plus u. Then dou of x comma y by dou of u comma v equal to dou x by dou u, dou x by dou v, dou y by dou u, dou y by dou v determinant. It is equal to determinant 1 plus v u v 1 plus u. Determinant 1 plus v into AD minus BC, 1 plus u minus uv. It is equal to 1 plus 1 into uu plus v into 1v plus uv minus uv. Plus uv minus uv get cancelled. It is equal to 1 plus u plus v. It is the solution. And what they are asking, the third problem. If x equal to u into 1 minus v, y equal to uv, prove that j dash equal to 1. That is nothing but by using of these two functions, Jacobian of x comma y by u comma v is the Jacobian determinant equal to dou x by dou u, dou y, dou x by dou v, dou y by dou u, dou y by dou v. And j dash is nothing but it is j equal to j of x comma y by u comma v. J dash is nothing but transformation. Transformation means xy functions can be changed into xy functions are given in uv, then we can transfer uv functions into x comma y. So here j dash is nothing but j of u comma v by x comma y. That is equal to determinant dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y. Next product of these two, we can prove that j dash is equal to 1. Here first we can take the given functions x equal to u into 1 minus v. It is equal to multiply with u of the second factor u minus uv, and y is equal to uv. X is differentiating with respect to u. U differentiation is 1 minus 1 into v equal to 1 minus v. X is differentiating with respect to v is, it is 0 minus u equal to minus u. Y is differentiating with respect to u, 1 into v is v. Y is differentiating with respect to v, u into 1 equal to u. And take the Jacobian determinant j equal to j of x comma y by u comma v equal to determinant dou x by dou u, dou x by dou v, dou y by dou u, dou y by dou v. That is equal to determinant 1 minus v minus u v u equal to 1 minus v into u minus into minus plus uv. It is equal to 1 minus uv plus uv equal to 1. Next here, from y is equal to uv, from y we can write u equal to y by v, or v equal to, here u is there na, so u equal to, you can write y by v. So here u value substitute in x. So x equal to u, if u is the y by v into 1 minus v. Okay. From this, y by v minus y. Here we are getting v equal to x equal to y by v minus y. X plus y equal to y by v. Okay. Here by the cross multiply, v equal to y by x plus y. You got it?
Yes, ma'am.
This v is substitute in u. Since u equal to y by v, okay, here what is the v? V equal to y by x plus y. That is equal to x plus y into y by y. Y cancel. We are getting x plus y. So therefore u equal to x plus y, v equal to y by x plus y. So x and y functions are expressed in uv. Now we can transform the xy into uv. Xy are given in uv. uv can be transformed into xy. That relation will be there in that. Okay. Here we can find out u is differentiating with respect to x, it is 1. U is differentiating with respect to y, it is 1. V is differentiating with respect to x, here u by v form, v into 0 minus y into 1 by x plus y whole square, that is equal to minus y by x plus y whole square. V is differentiating with respect to y is u by v form again, x plus y into 1 minus y into 1, 0 plus 1 is 1 by x plus y whole square. It is equal to x plus y minus y by x plus y whole square plus y minus y cancel, x by x plus y whole square. Now we can take the determinant, that is j dash of u comma v by x comma y is equal to j dash equal to determinant dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y. It is equal to determinant 1 1 minus y by x plus y whole square, x by x plus y whole square. It is equal to AD minus BC, x by x plus y whole square minus into minus plus y by x plus y whole square. Taking the LCM, x plus y in the numerator by x plus y whole square These two are get cancelled 1 by x plus y. Okay, if you get any here, 1 minus v into u is u, here it is u minus ub plus ub, here we are getting u, j is u here. Okay,
Yeah.
again we can check it here, j equal to j of x comma y by ub. This determinant means 1 minus v minus u, vu, ad minus bc. Here this is correct only, but the multiplication here we did mistake. 1 into u is u minus ub plus ub. These two are get cancelled. We are getting here not 1, it is u. Okay, but here in this, what is u? U equal to x plus y. But in the j dash, we are getting here in the denominator, it is equal to 1 by u. Why? Because x plus y equal to u. Here from j, j of x comma y by u comma v is u, j dash of u comma v by x comma y is equal to 1 by u. Product this, j dash equal to u into 1 by u equal to u get cancelled 1. So j dash equal to 1. So if we get wrong, just we again check the from the first one only where we did mistake. Again recheck, and if you get the clear, then you get the what they are asking, the proof that j dash equal to 1. And here always the j dash rule is must be 1 only. Why? Because the given functions are having the relation of the transformations. So the relation should be satisfies j dash equal to 1. But that is nothing but one to another inverse functions are there. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
X square minus 2y v equal to x plus y plus z, w equal to x minus 2y plus 3z. Find dou of u comma v comma w by dou of x comma y comma z. It is for homework. Fifth one, if x plus y plus z equal to u, y plus z equal to uv, z equal to uvw, then evaluate dou of x comma y comma z by dou of u comma v comma w. This is for homework. It is I am doing now. Why? Because here they have given the functions not in exactly u v w, not in exactly x y z. The combination is there, u equal to x plus y plus z, y plus z equal to uv, z equal to uvw. From this we can find out x equal to what, y equal to what, z equal to what. Okay, here
Yes, ma'am.
given that x plus y plus z equal to u, y plus z equal to uv, z equal to u, v, w. Here what they are asking, dou of x comma y comma z means z they have given. Z equal to u, v, w. What is y? Y equal to u, v minus z. Then y equal to u, v minus u, v, w. That is equal to u, v into 1 minus w. And here x equal to u minus of y plus z. It is equal to u minus of uv. It is equal to u into 1 minus v. Okay. So x equal to u into 1 minus v. It is the u minus uv. Y equal to uv minus uvw. Z equal to uvw or the functions. Now we can find out Jacobian determinant, that is dou of x comma y comma z means here we can write that is xu, xv, xw, yu, yv, yw, zu, zv, zw. That is nothing but the suffixes or partial derivatives. Here x is differentiating with respect to u, that is xu equal to dou x by dou u equal to 1 minus 1 into v, that is 1 minus v. X v equal to dou x by dou v equal to 0 minus u into 1, that is minus u. Xw, that is dou x by dou w, no w term, it is 0. Yu, that is dou y by dou u equal to 1 into v minus 1 into vw equal to v minus vw. Yv equal to dou y by dou v equal to u into 1 minus u into 1 into w equal to u minus uw. Yw, dou y by dou w equal to uv is 0 minus uv into 1 minus uv. Zu equal to dou z by dou u equal to 1 into vw is vw. Dou v equal to dou z by dou v equal to uw. Zw equal to dou z by dou w equal to uv. Take the determinant. Dou of x comma y comma z by dou of u comma v comma w, that is Jacobian of x y z by u v w equal to determinant dou x by dou u, dou x by dou v, dou x by dou w, dou y by dou u, dou y by dou v, dou y by dou w, dou z by dou u, dou z by dou v, dou z by dou w. It is equal to determinant 1 minus v minus u 0. V minus vw, u minus uw minus uv. Vw, uw, uv. Equal to 1 minus v into uv into u minus uw minus into minus plus u square vw plus u into uv into v minus vw, this minus into minus plus u v square w. 0 into something is 0. It is equal to multiply 1 minus v into u square v minus u square vw plus u square vw plus u into uv square minus uv square w plus uv square w plus uv square minus uv square plus u square vw plus u square vw. Can multiply u square v minus u square v square plus u square v square. These two are cancelled. It is equal to u square v. This is the answer. Dou of x comma y comma z by dou of u comma v comma w equal to u square v. We did correct only, no?
Going through it again.
Again we are checking.
Yeah.